Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make underline text in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will use this preset and keep this setting and create a new document. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. Next, we can go to Toolbar. We can find horizontal type tool, or click and hold. We can choose another type tool. In this tutorial, I will choose horizontal type tool. And then click on Artboard. We can type, for example, I type underline, and I use the move tool to move it here. And I want to enlarge it to make it obvious. Next, we can go to Window and Show Character Window. In Character Window, we can find the icon of underline. Click it. At the summary, make sure that we select the layer and then click it. So this is how we can add underline text in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.